Hello everyone, welcome to Question with Answer, and Day 13 for Python Interview Question and Answer for 2025. If you haven't watched previous videos, please watch it. You can find link in description below. So, whether you're preparing for an upcoming interview or just looking to sharpen your coding skills, this video is absolutely for you. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. What is the difference between a shallow copy and a deep copy in Python? Answer. In programming, especially in Python, the difference between a shallow copy and a deep copy is crucial when working with data structures like lists, dictionaries, and custom objects. Shallow copy. A shallow copy creates a new object but does not create new copies of the nested, inner, objects. Instead, it simply copies references, memory addresses, to those objects. This means that if the original object contains mutable objects, like lists or dictionaries, modifying them in one copy will also affect the other. For example, in Python, a shallow copy can be created using the copy method or the copy module. As seen in this example, modifying the inner list in shallow_copied_list also affects original_list, because both lists share references to the same nested objects. Deep copy. A deep copy, on the other hand, creates a completely new and independent copy of the original object, including recursively copying all nested objects. This ensures that modifications in the copied object do not affect the original. Here is the example of deep copy. In this case, modifying deep_copied_list does not affect original_list, since all objects were duplicated rather than just their references. Key differences. 1. Memory reference. Shallow copy references the same inner objects, while deep copy creates new copies of all inner objects. 2. Mutability impact. Changes in mutable inner objects affect both copies in shallow copy but not in deep copy. 3. Performance. Shallow copies are faster and use less memory, while deep copies take more time and memory due to the recursive duplication of objects. Thus, depending on the use case, you may choose a shallow copy for efficiency or a deep copy for full data independence. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.